Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and I am back with another quick Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for all the new details. Now let's go through the quick run through. My strongest off, again, not bad for $1.25. 4 rolls, 2 ply. Their paper towels, 140 sheets, not bad for $1.25 in comparison to the area where I live. You got to pick and choose where is it that you live and if it's best for your wallet. This is best for my wallet. Scotty's is back, Dollar Tree. This is their 128 sheets, but still nonetheless worth the $1.25. And they come in these pretty patterns. Just perfect for Easter. Our drawstring tall kitchen bags are back. They hold up to 13 gallons, 10 bags total from their Essentials line. Not bad for $1.25, 10 bags. And yes, even though this is relatively smaller than their usual laundry detergent at Dollar Tree, I still feel that it holds a good portion, and in comparison to a lot of other brands that, yeah, perhaps brings more ounces, but to be perfectly honest, the bottles look just as small. So, you know, maybe 2 in your cupboard, not too bad. And you can see it can wash up to 21 loads. They're LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent. Speaking of LA's Totally Awesome, Ultra Deluxe Soap Dish is also my favorite. And as you can see, comes a variety of scents. This is in fresh apple. And not bad for 30 fluoride ounces for $1.25. Now remember guys, I think I mentioned this before, LA's Totally Awesome window cleaner. Get the vinegar formula. For me, I feel like this one does not leave any streaks. I feel like the blue one, the one that looks like a dupe for Windex, it leaves like a fog. So they brought some new ones, and I do have noticed that they have changed the nozzle. So perhaps this nozzle is a lot better than the nozzle that it used to have when it was on another brand, but honestly it's the same product. But nonetheless, not bad for $1.25. My E-Circuit batteries that I was running low on, as you can see, AA, AAA, they have a variety. I think they have C's and D's, and even like the small pocket ones that are perfect for watches, and a number of other essentials that require the penny size battery for $1.25 per package. I already mentioned to you guys their Zeiss anti-fog wipes. These really help. Again, I don't know why that more YouTubers aren't covering them, but they really do work. Again, like I've mentioned, 1 towelette per set of glasses, but it really does help. If you are still wearing your mask, and sorry, we are still very much in this situation, this really does help. If you're going anywhere, if you're breathing heavy, if you're jogging, walking really fast, speed walking, and you don't want your glasses to fog up, this really helps. So again, 6 per pack. I do recommend it. Go get you some. Now on to the fun stuff. This is new. They're bringing in all these like seashells and beachy theme things because they know summer's just around the corner, and I thought this would be great for a prop. I'm going to be reviewing anything that has anything to do with mermaids or beaches, sorry. And this is from their Shore Living collection, nautical pins. They actually have like star looking, decor that you would. Star shells? Are they called star shells? Star shells from, their decor section, but I thought they were too heavy, and I feel like if I hot glue them to any outfit, it's just gonna look weird. But these are cute because they have these like clothespin mechanism, so I think I can just like clamp them on or even take them off the clip and then hot glue them to any outfit. So look out for these. But yes, if you do see these, and they're great, they're great add-ons to anything, especially kid baskets or anything that requires a nice little touch of the beach. Great for decor, great for barbecues. But look out for these are new. Also from their Shore Living line, they have brush sets. Why? Because I saw a number of their wooden designs that look very like mermaid-like, and though typically I would have taken one, I don't know, I feel like I'd rather just use these brushes because you can use these for arts and crafts, these brushes. But not for nothing, I thought of my face painting. So in case if I do decide to do like a mermaid look, which I feel like that's where I'm going, yeah, these brushes come in handy. You don't necessarily, um, you could see that the bristles, they'll do its job. And if they mess up again, you haven't really spent too much. But in comparison to maybe 5 and below, a set like this will go at least quick, easy between $3 and $5. So as you can see, I picked up this package, and then these are a little more on the precision side, which I love. That fine tip one, and not for nothing, you can also use these for makeup. It doesn't have to be necessarily body paint or just arts and crafts. You could use these for actual just like day-to-day makeup. Not bad for $1.25. And again, it's their short living collection. This brings 3 pieces and this brings 2. So altogether I have $5. Still, nonetheless, it's still relatively cheaper than perhaps a 5 and below set, which I love. Again, you can always pick and choose your favorite brand or chain of store, but I figured I'd give these a try. And lastly, these I've seen these a number of times at my Dollar Tree. I do feel like they are kind of relatively small, but not for nothing. I think I'm going to try them when I'm going to style some wigs, and just to see if it actually does hold now that I have a steamer. So these are relatively small. These are perhaps something that you might want to pin at the very beginning of your wig, where like the lace would be showing, just to kind of give it that very oomph kind of curl, maybe like Rita Hayworth or what's another, Lauren Bacall kind of like nice curl. And on the up portion towards the head, you want that, and you want that type of curl. And then if you want loose curls in the back, you'd use these. These are new. These big ones are new. So I feel like if I ever do want to go back and get the smaller size ones, and they even have teenier ones, but I like these. These I think were okay. They bring 4, and these also bring 4. This is their self-stay rollers. And yeah, I'm going to give these a try to see if I can do some nice styling with my synthetic wigs. Nonetheless, y'all, I really hope you've enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree haul. And if you see any of these items, fun summer items and essentials, be sure to pick them up because they do go quickly. Now, if you like what you see, give us a like. Leave us a comment down below. If you like my videos and would like to follow, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next haul, DIY, or review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.